Join me as I dive into the future of Plug stock and challenge myself to predict what's next for this exciting venture. Plug stock has been making waves in the market lately, and for good reason. As a leading player in the electric vehicle charging industry, the company is well positioned to capitalize on the growing demand for sustainable energy solutions. With its strong brand recognition and expanding network of charging stations, Plug stock has become a favorite among investors looking for a piece of the clean energy pie. Plug stock is not immune to the challenges that come with being a publicly traded company. Market volatility has been a major concern, with the stock price experiencing significant fluctuations in recent months. The competition in the EV charging space is also heating up, with new entrants vying for market share. Furthermore, the company's financials have been under scrutiny, with some investors questioning its ability to scale efficiently. Regulatory risks are also a concern, as government policies and incentives can greatly impact the adoption of electric vehicles. Recent news has been mixed for Plug stock. The company has announced some significant partnerships and expansions, which could help drive growth. However, its latest earnings report raised some eyebrows, with revenue coming in lower than expected. Analysts have been weighing in on the stock, with some expressing optimism about its long-term prospects. Others, however, have been more cautious, citing concerns about the company's valuation and competition. So what's next for Plug stock? One key insight is that the company is likely to continue investing heavily in its network expansion, which could drive growth in the short term. However, investors should be aware of the potential risks, including increased competition and regulatory uncertainty. Another key area to watch is the company's profitability, as it continues to scale its operations. Expert opinions are divided on the stock, but most agree that it's a high-risk, high-reward play. In summary, Plug stock's future is full of possibilities. From market volatility to competition and regulatory risks, there are many factors that could impact its trajectory. However, with its strong brand and growing demand for sustainable energy solutions, the company is well positioned for long-term success. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Plug stock's future in the comments below. Be sure to check out our other video on the top stock market trends to watch in the coming months, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.